So it's Wednesday. On Friday, I went and picked up my e36 M3. Definitely needs some love. Gonna get the bumper painted here this week and then get a carbon hood, corner lights, fix the paint everywhere else, basically just as I go. Gonna get a new gasket for that door handle, redo all the seals. That side needs a window motor and regulator. Probably gonna go with the carbon fiber trunk as well and the carbon fiber LTW wing, because these guys just bolted the wing on, and yeah, no, that don't look pretty. But I've got the spare tire delete on the way, and then I'm gonna have my boy Colby weld up a new battery box, because I don't know if you can tell, but you can see the light coming through. Battery box is rusted through, not looking too hot. Bolted the side moldings in. I don't know why they would do that. Already got a regulator and motor at the shop, but threw my likewise shift knob on here. Very, very stiff. Love it. Great improvement. Got a bunch of stuff in here right now. Car cover, bag of e36 stuff that the guy gave me. But yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get y'all in the car, go for a run. I'll basically give you guys the rundown on everything that's been done to it. Alright, so I'm leaving McDonald's now. Came here after my mom's house. Started raining, so I had the windows rolled up and it was just hot as hell in here. Ain't no AC, but got the packages. I'm not telling y'all what it is yet though. Y'all gotta wait for that. I'm gonna be in Vegas for like a week, so once I'm back, I got y'all. We're gonna go back to my house though. I was gonna put you guys on the bumper, but it's raining and I don't have like the protective case for the GoPro. I don't think it can get wet just by itself. I don't want to risk it. So what I'll do is I'll run home, grab the protective case, and then go for a drive so y'all can hear this thing. Really like the way it pulls. I wouldn't say it's fast, but it's quick and it's pretty fun. This is the first one I've driven, like first M3 E36 that I've driven. So I really like it. This traffic is awful right now, Jesus. What the hell? I'll go the other way. I don't got no cup holder though, so I'm gonna be holding this. So the guy I got this from, got it from another guy who did some stuff to it. He doesn't know exactly 100% what the things that were done on it before. Like I'm pretty sure he said the short shifter was installed before, but I think it's just a DSSR, because it still looks like the OEM shifter. So I don't think it's an actual short shifter or the dine-in shifter or anything like that, but it does have a very tight notchy feel, and the throw is a lot shorter. He did the M50 intake manifold swap. He redid like all of the vacuum lines, rear main seal, valve cover gasket. I'm unsure if he did the head gasket, but I'd like to assume he did. I'm not gonna beat on this car too hard. He wanted it to be a drift car. That's not what I'm looking for in it. I'd really like to make it a show car, but sometimes my plans change. I've already got a bunch of parts that I could put on it that I would be satisfied with and think would look amazing after paint and a couple other little things. Like I've got to get the floorboards. I gotta see if I can buy replacement floor pans. If not, I'll just buy a e36 M3 shell and cut the floorboards out of that and weld them into here. I just want to do it properly. I don't want to make anything janky, or I don't know. I want it to be a clean build that I can beat on but not beat up, if that makes sense. But revline, street track, differential like subframe bushings, and new transmission mounts, new engine mounts. The differential looks brand spanking new, and I don't know what type of mid-pipe or headers it has, but I'm pretty positive that the headers on it are not stock, and I know the mid-pipe isn't stock. It's got like a cutout muffler, so it's just the dual pipe exit. Still looks like the same as it does stock with the same tips, but it's just straight piped from the mid-pipe back. I'm trying to think. Mishimoto radiator fan and coolant reservoir, electric fan, PCV delete. We just started sliding a little bit right there. Got her a little loose. I love this thing though. Put some BC coilovers on it. I'm probably not gonna slam it, but the struts are a shot for the most part, especially in the rear. So I might as well replace them. I really like BCs, so I'm gonna go with BCs. I'm not gonna have them super stiff. I don't want it to be like my other cars, how they're just low and stiff as fuck, and every time I go over a bump. Like, I want this to be a driver's car. It's got 186,000 miles on it, but it's had proper maintenance done on it for the most part. It was a Lux package until everything got ripped out. I've still got the wooden e-brake, and the glove box is still there, so that's good. Definitely needs some paint, so I'm gonna get that taken care of in the next couple weeks. Gonna get some clear corners for it, some new trim moldings for that, like the side trims. Maybe go with the an under tray for it, but for the most part I have everything that I want for this car, other than aluminum door cards and the coilovers, and I have the adjustable camber arms, just that I need to put them on. So I really just need to put all of my stuff in here, get the floor pans fixed, maybe put carpet in here, or the aluminum like floor pan with the dead pedal, and I don't know the correct name for it, but door cards, that, floor pans getting fixed, headliner, paint, and then have my boy Colby make me a little like aluminum housing for the transmission tunnel, and this thing's ready to go. So first things first, gotta get these seats out. One bolt there, one bolt on the other side, a bolt right there, and a bolt right there. Might leave the passenger seat in just because I'm gonna run up to AutoZone. I need a couple more of the bottom bolts, these washers, so that nut right there, and then that washer. I need 4 more of those, but I'm gonna get my seat in there, the driver's side, and the harness bar and the harnesses. So yeah. So got the Sparco seat mount in, took out the seat belts on both sides. I am missing this bolt from passenger side. I'm not sure if that will be the one that goes in, but it's the one that goes into this part, if you know what that is. It like sits right in there, so hopefully that's not one I need to reuse both of them for, but we'll see. Got driver's seat situated. I'm gonna need some extra stuff or whatever to get my harnesses in. I haven't figured out what exactly I'm gonna need for that, but yeah, probably won't have harness in tonight. I also cross-threaded this little part where this part of the harness bar goes, so I'm gonna have to tap that, chase the thread. But the harness bar is in, status seat, driver's seat is in, so I'm gonna get on with the rest of it. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. Looks like it's about to rain, but got the seat all mounted in. Gonna get my friend to tap that while I'm out of town, and gonna get some stuff for the harnesses so I can mount those up. But yeah, other than that, it's good. Yeah, well, I fucking,
this guy, yo.
I cross-threaded.
Like fucking 16 M3s wasn't enough.
It's not even the half cage, it's just the harness bar. But I mean, I'm probably gonna